Okay, the next operator is increment and decrement operator. So it is a unary operator. Here unary means single. Okay, it will take a single operand. It will take a single only one operand. Only one operand. That's why it's unary. Okay, so this is unary operator. The symbols plus plus, we use plus plus here, and minus minus are called increment and decrement operator. How do you represent? How do you write increment operator using plus plus? How do you write decrement operator? Minus minus. Don't use space here. There is a space. If I remove, you will not see it's you think it is a one line. Okay, that's why I have given space for understanding actually, but there is no space in while writing program. So these symbols operators are called increment and decrement operator respectively. What is this operator here? The increment operator is increase its operand value by 1. Okay. The decrement operator decreased its operand value by 1. Means increment increase the value of operand by 1. Means increase the value by 1. Decrement will decrease the value of the operand by 1. Decreasing one value, increasing one value. By one value, not two, right? So only one value is if you want to increase the value of operand to one, we use increment operator. If you want to increase the value by two, by a decrease by one, we use decrement operator. Minus minus. If I say plus plus, increase. Minus minus, decrease. Right? So let's go to this one. There are two types of increment and decrement operators. First one is pre-increment and B is post-increment. Listen, if you understand increment, decrement is similar. Just writing the symbol is different, but the concept is same. So let's understand the increment only. Pre-increment, pre, post-increment. Pre mane gabal, before, before increment. An increment operator is used before the operand. Like here, can see what is example syntax. Plus plus variable name. Plus plus variable means it increments the value before it is used. This is very very important. First increase. What does it mean? First increase the value of this variable before it is used. Before you use the variable, first increase the value. First increase, that's called pre. Post, an increment operator used after the operand. It's like this. After writing this variable name plus plus, you have to write. This is called post. Post means baad. After. It increments the value after using. Means first use the value of variable, then increase. Right? Let me explain once again. Pre-increment, use plus plus variable. What does it mean here? It will increase first. It will increase the value of variable by 1. Then variable is used. First increase, then use. In post, first use the variable, then increase. Then baad. Post mane baad. Similarly in decrement. First decrease pre-decrement. First decrease the value of variable, then use the variable. Here first use the variable, then decrease. Right? So let's see with the help of some examples. Okay, example for post increment or pre increment also we can say one by one. Post mane baad. So how do you write? Say for example a equal to 5. Let me show you with the help of program only. Right, right click the package, new class, uh, increment operator. Using only increment, then you can use the decrement. Okay, let me post or pre. Example int a, initial value is 2. I have another value int b, initial value assume 7. Okay, right. So for example, if I want to print, say system dot out dot println a value and b value, you know it will print 2 and 7. Let me show you 2 and 7. Let's me show here. Right, so let's go with one by one here. If I write, either I can write directly here or inside the print here. If I write a plus plus, it makes difference actually here. Let me show you the difference here. A plus plus. Okay. I don't want to increase this value. Just disable this one. A plus plus. It will print what? Say increment operator increase the value by 1. Okay. So what will be the answer? Can you just guess the answer, please? Can anyone guess the answer, please? Here. Can see the program once again. Can anyone guess the answer? Int a equal to 2 and I'm printing the value of a plus plus. Right? So plus plus is increment operator, not addition. Okay. So what will be the answer? By definition, you see the answer is first use, then no, I will need the answer. I need the answer, right? So okay, first use, then a plus plus plus. Good. But what will be the output? 8. There's no 8. Initially a equal to 2. Quickly. What will be the answer if initial value of a equal to 2? Okay, this is nothing, it's not there, right? So this is just simply a comment. I mean, you're not using the b. I'm just using this a plus plus, right? So what is the value of a plus plus here? This is post increment. This is what? Post increment. Because I'm using plus plus after very operand. So what will be the value? 3, 3, 3. Right? Let's see. 2. Answer is 2 only. Why? Because of post increment. First use. First use. Say what is the value of a? 2. Then increase. Is that clear? Let me delete this to avoid confusion. Right? So run the program. You'll see here first using. I'm using the value of a. What is the value of a? 2. It will be printing first.
So
Now, if you want
Doctor,
to, yes,
if you use A next time, it will be 3.
yep. What I'm doing here, right here, this one.
Okay.
So here I'm printing now a value. I'm printing now. I don't want to use. Now you will see the result again. The next line it will become 2 and 3. Can you observe now very
Got you.
carefully? Now it will become 3. It will increment after using the value of operand. Hope everyone understand. Is it clear? So let's go to the next one, pre-increment. Pre-increment, what is simple? First plus plus, then a, plus plus a. So here in this one, it will first increase, then
Increase.
use. First, yes, increase automatically means it will go 3 directly. I'm using directly. First increase, first increase. That is the meaning here. First increase the value. This is called pre. Awwal increase. Then use the value. Hope everyone understand this one. Okay. So it's very similarly decrement. If you want to use decrement, we use decrement, pre-decrement. It will decrease first. So a will become -1. So that will become 1 here, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1. If I use post decrement, it will not use. It will just print the 2. If you want to use it again, what is the value of a? It will print the value of a is now, sorry, as 1 because you decrease as 1. Can you see a second line as 1? So this is one thing. Hope you understand this, guys. Okay. So is this clear now? Pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, and post-decrement. Right. Let me go some more expressions as per the book. Right. Let's see as per the right here. is given here, right? Let's see, a equal to 5, b equal to 2. Okay, like this. Actually, you need to answer me. Okay, so I want to print a. Depends how you print first, right? You want to printing a and you are printing b. So look the program carefully. So there is an errors here. We are making missing semicolons. Okay, so can you answer me now? Initially a equal to 5 and b equal to 2 plus a plus a, right? So what do you write here? Simply can you just look carefully and answer me? Okay, and you need print statement also. I will print it here for you guys to answer me. I know, at this time ignore semicolons. Okay, focus on logic. So give me the answer here, right? Shabab, give me the answer here, right? 5 8. Next, any other? I am. This is the example for your lab work for quiz. I'll just print what is the output of this program. You have to be very careful. You have two output, so you have two answers. One is printing A, one is printing. Don't give one answer, right? Answer two. Giving one answer means you did not understand program. Answering two, you have understand the program, but maybe right or wrong. I can no problem. 6 comma 8 or something. Okay. Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead. Only 3 4 students answer me. Remaining. I want more answer from all the students. Student understanding is very important. Let's go one by one from ourselves, right? Int a equal to 5. Let's show me here, right? Int a equal to 5 initially. Now you say b2 plus a. Means you increase first. What is the value of a here? 5. It will increase first. It will become 6. 6 plus 2, 8. B become 8. A become 6. So answer is 6 and 8. Very simple, right? Increment. 6 and 8, not 5 8, isn't it? Because you are increasing here. You may forget. Okay. If I say here plus b, again I'm just changing here plus b. What will be the output here? See, a equal to 5. Okay, good. And this is plus a. This will become 6. This already becomes 6. A becomes 6 here, right? So here a, this is very good. If you write it here, a becomes 6. And here same case. Here now b become plus b, because p is already 8 here, right? And here we see here b equal to 8. Now when you come here, a, it will print 6, same value a. I'm printing plus b, so it become 9, right? Because previously 8 and it become 9. So I will give the mixed expression plus minus plus. So you should be very careful. You should track all the values of a and b. Let's run this one. 6 and 9. Okay, so copy this program and do it by yourself. Do it now. Good. Go ahead, copy this one. I just give 2 3 minutes. You just play around. You just play around with this program and do it. Okay. So let me stop this.